resource. How to create the resource here? First we need to create the resource and data factory, linked services, datasets, as well storage account we need to create here. So I'm going to creating the resource first. So I'm going to creating the resource here, creating resource, search resource group. Okay, search resource group here, and after that you can take the resource group only. Okay, here the resource group you can take and click on create, and after that resource group name activity 2 we are keeping here. Okay, activity 2. So after that clicking on next. I'm not adding any name and value here. Clicking on next, clicking on create. So the resource group is created successfully. Create. Again it is creating a going to. Okay, it is not created. Just a second. Resource group, clicking on create. So here activity 2 already taken, activity 2 condition. Okay, the resource group name is activity 2 condition. Next, so create. So go to resource, the resource is created successfully. So this is the resource group. I'm not adding anything here, the activities and all the things. So I want to create, after that I want to create the ADF or else storage account something. So I want to create the storage account first. Okay, storage account, create storage account, and take the storage account here and take the create, and here the storage account name is I'm taking activity 2 condition. Okay, activity 2 condition here. After that clicking on next, and here clicking on create. So what happened, the storage account is created. In this storage account I need to take the containers here. So storage will be divided into the containers part. Deployment is created successfully, and go to resource. So this is the resource, and here I'm going to taking first we need to check the if the storage account is created or not. So storage account is created. So in this storage account I need to take the containers. Okay, in this container, so I need to create, this is the default one, this is the log, so it should be in the status, that will be only private. So here the container, that will be the input. So input container I'm taking, so input condition I will take here. Okay, input condition I'm going to taking here, clicking on create. So after that, output condition I'm taking here, output condition. Okay, so click on create. So two containers I have created. In these two containers I need to take first I want the JSON file first. Okay, so for JSON file, uh, I'm going to downloading. So JSON file in the datasets format, so Titanic passenger, that JSON file I'm going to downloading. So it is downloaded successfully. So here I want to fetch the JSON file, I want to upload that JSON file. So browse it and after go to download, and you can take Titanic Park. So JSON file, here JSON file I'm taking, and after that you can download as well, that will be the CSV files. Okay, CSV files download. So in the CSV file I'm going to taking only only the business data, something I'm going to take. Okay, so the business data
Ma'am,
have,
like we, yes, ma'am.
yeah,
Metadata అన్నారు కదా ma'am.
yeah, first metadata we are taking in that ADF activity, in that metadata. So here just I'm uploading the CSV file, that's it. Okay, for we need to link it that service, right? So daily I'm taking what I have in the local system, so today I'm taking new data. Okay, so some JSON file I'm taking, not JSON file, this will be the CSV file. Okay, so it is done. After that, go level back, and here also I am taking only the JSON file, already what we have downloaded before. Okay, so JSON file I am going to take in here. So click on upload. So we have created successfully. So after that, what we need to do, we need to create ADF, that will be the Azure Data Storage. So again from here itself it is, I think no. So go to create resource. So here we need to take ADF, Azure Data Factory. Okay, Azure Data Factory you need to take here, and we need to select Data Factory here. So here Data Factory, for activities in this Data Factory we need to perform the activities. Okay, so already we have created the resource group, that will be the activity 2. Okay, so here instant details, you can take that instant details the same, that will be activity 2 condition I'm taking here. Okay, activity 2 condition. So clicking on next, next. So you can create. Okay, compared to all other activities deployment, for ADF deployment it will take some time. So go to resource, so go to your ADF account and clicking on launch studio. After that you can go to your factory resources, this will be call it as factory resources, this will be the home, and this will be the monitor, what the pipeline it is running, which one it is, what the status, and how it is triggered by and status. These are all the things it will be shown in the monitor way, and this will be the manage. So for linker service we will use this, so we don't have any linker service here. For this will be the learning center part, this one. Okay, so this is the tutorials one. So I need to create the data set. So for data set, what we need to select the new data set. So these all are data set types. Okay, please remember this one. Okay, so here I am taking that data set, that will be the blob one. Okay, what is blob storage will accept, guys, any of the data will be accept. So here I am taking today, that will be the JSON file. So linked service, we didn't create any linked service, so that's why I'm taking the new linked service here. So here the low linked service name I'm going to taking that that will be activity. Okay, activity 2 condition I am taking here, activity 2 and condition. Okay, so after that the subscription part, it will be the default one, and here already what we have created, that storage account you can select here. Okay, after you can test the data. Yeah, you can test the connection will be successfully, we don't have any errors as of now. So creating, so one linked service will be created, and after that we have taken the JSON format and all the things, we have taken the linked service name here, it will appear. And after that you can browse it, you can tick, and you can select the we have taken the JSON file also. So here I'm taking and I'm selecting the JSON file here and clicking on OK. So what happened, the one data set is created, right? So we can take another data set as well. So clicking on new data set, and here also I'm taking CSV file. Oh, no. So blob storage, right? The blob storage I'm taking here. So here I will take that delimited text. Over there in the dataset 1 I have taken the JSON, and dataset 2 I am taking the delimited text. Already we have taken. So I am going to creating another linked service. So here I am taking CSV linked service for corresponding name. Okay, CSV linked linked service, CSV linked service I'm taking here. Okay, so after that we need to take the subscription for free, and storage account also already we have, same storage account I'm taking. So you can test the connection, you can test the connection. After that you can create. So here I will select another file, that will be the CSV file I am going to selecting here. And in output also we have only CSV file, I think so, right?
JSON, ma'am.
Here also JSON is there. Okay, in input I will take CSV. So this CSV I am taking. So we have created, and you can select the extensions as well here. So here the compression level optimal I am taking. Here after delimited, here the delimited I am taking tab 1 and row and all. So I'm not selecting anything here. Okay, so this is how the way the data will be selected. And here also I need to check the data. So here also the format type and all the things I'm going to change. So compression level, the compression level also optimal I'm taking. So encoding this all the things. Okay, and here, okay, we have selected and I need to publish this one. Before publish, we don't have any. Okay, so I'm going to publishing this one. So the data sets will be saved. Okay, so the publish is done successfully. It is there in a home part. Okay, one is delimited text one, and next one is JSON. So what happened here, the two data sets is created successfully. After that, go to your author, and here we need to do first we need to create one pipeline. Here first, from here we need to concentrate the before all the things, so for here we need to concentrate now. And here what happens, first we need to take, that will be the copy data. Okay, copy data. So this is the activity I'm taking here. So copying the data here. So here I have copied the data, and after that we need to take validation. So validation I'm going to taking. So here I will do thing here. Okay, so it is visible, right guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So here I'm so it is visible, right? So here, so from here to here we need to do the success one. Okay, so it is success. So here we need to change the activity, we need to change as well. So for I'm going to take after that another activity, that will be the get metadata. Get metadata here. So this metadata I'm not giving any connection here first. Okay, so in general, first we need to change the metadata file name. So here I'm going to change get file metadata. Okay, so after that I'm setting the time, that will be the 7:00, and retry same thing, and 30, and input output also I'm selecting. Okay, so after that we need to take the settings. So here I need to take the data set here. So the data set I'm taking delimited one.
Okay.
Yeah, what happened guys?
Ma'am, I guess it's a signal problem from your side.
My side. Okay, so here here see
You're not sharing, ma'am.
what happened.
Screen share అవ్వట్లే మ్యామ్.
స్క్రీన్ షేర్ అవ్వట్లేదా? Is it?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్. మ్యామ్ సెషన్ రికార్డ్ చేస్తున్నారా మ్యామ్?
చేస్తున్నాను, వద్దా?
చేయండి మ్యామ్. లైక్ ఇంతకుముందు కనెక్షన్ పోయింది కదా మ్యామ్, మరి ఉండిందా పోయిందా అని చెప్పేసి.
అవుతుంది. So get metadata here. So after that what happens, here we have selected delimited and the times and all the things we have selected, right? So data set also we have taken. Okay, so after that data set also we have selected, and we need to debug this. So copy data is sources the required, and all the things shrink and all the things we need to do first. So after that, here the copy data, so in the general the copy data I'm taking the same name, and here the activated and all the things I'm taking only statically, I'm not changing anything here. So here the data set, sorry, I'm not creating new, already we have created the data set. So the data set I'm taking over there delimited, and here JSON. So here the JSON, we can preview the data first. So it is failing, every time it will fail. In the data set, I will do. So in the data set we have created, and shrink, here also I'm taking this one only. So after that, clicking on new, sorry, I'm not taking any filter option. So we can set the behavior will be merge files here, and after that count connections, we don't want any count connections. Size will be, you can set 1024 here, 100. The pattern will be set of objects. Okay, I'm not doing any mapping, and I'm not doing any settings here. Okay, so after that validation, so in the validation also I'm not changing anything here, so I'm leaving like that. Here the data set I'm taking, so delimited data set. Here new, I'm not using anything here, and after that the same things I'm taking. And first, this all the, already you know how to do this validation and copy data yesterday, already you have seen. And here for this getting the metadata, I need to take, that will be the if conditions. So if conditions will be true or false. Before that, we need to do this one, we need to set the, we need to do connection for, we need to take the connection, wait, we need to do the connection for get metadata to if condition here. Okay, it is not. Okay, get metadata to if condition here. So in the if condition, in the general I am taking, the name will be if column count matches I am taking here. Okay, so in activities I'm not doing any changes here, only it will do the true or false. Here the true or false it will only taken, next false also the same thing. And here user properties I'm not taking anything here. And here the expressions, expression is not showing here. Yes, here the expressions you need to take for logical and activity outputs as well. Okay, so clicking on dynamic content here. So here we need to take first, and we need to search for functions here. So here I am going to taking the logical functions here. In the logical functions I'm equaling the both. So what happens here, the error message is throwing runs true, two values or equal, for example, right? So you can take this one. So I am going to writing the so no, I'm not writing any condition here. For I want to get the data here, so that data will be here. So I'm getting the metadata here. So I want to write the condition now. So what I'm writing the condition here. So it is changing the condition while I'm going to taking activity here. Just a second. I'm writing manually. Okay, so functions, in the functions I'm taking logically. So here I will change the data. I'm taking length and activity. Okay, for activity I'm taking length and activity. After that, get file meta data 1. Okay, so after that you need to take dot output dot child item. Okay, I'm taking like that. So here the count one and all things. So we will see here it is throwing error. So what happens, the query will be throwing error. So the metadata, so we will check this one. Okay, so go to ChatGPT and you can take from here. So this is your error, you can take, this is my error, you can paste your query as well. So you can take and paste your error. Okay, so this is the one you need to take. Metadata, it is not metadata one, this is metadata. You can prefer this response. In the JSON object we don't have the this type of file, so it is not taking. So we will see what is the data we have in the JSON file. Okay, in the JSON file, this is the JSON file.